Hey, what's happening, guys? We are back with another classic circuit you should know. And in this case, it is a polarity protection circuit. Now, this is a neat little circuit that no matter which way you hook up your input voltage, you're going to read a positive voltage across the load, just like that. So it's simple. We have 4 diodes. We have 2 diodes facing in, and we have 2 diodes facing out. From the junction of the 2 diodes facing in, that will be our positive connection, and the 2 diodes facing out, that will be our negative connection. It's that simple. It's going to be depending on your load. In our case, we're going to use a 50 ohm load. That's going to give us about a 3 volt voltage drop. If you have something lower, say around 15 ohms, that's going to give you, maybe a 0.75 voltage drop, somewhere in there. Depending on your load, that's what your voltage drop is going to be. So you'll have to adjust your input accordingly. All right, you ready to see it? It's really simple. So here it is. We'll put our inputs in here, plus, minus, whichever. And then we have 2 diodes facing in, 2 diodes facing out. And over here, we put our load. And for our load, I'm just going to use a power resistor. This is a 10 watt. 50 ohm, and we'll just plug it in like so. Are you with me so far? Good. Next, we will bring in the meter. And we'll hook it up. Negative, positive across the load. Let me prop this up so you can see that a little better. There we go. Now I'm going to come off the stand here so I can show you the input voltage. 15.4 volts. There are our inputs. So we'll hook up our ground first, and then the positive. And what we got? 11.5 volts. That's almost a 4 volt drop, okay. Now let's reverse it. So we'll put our negative connection, our ground up there, and our positive connection here. And we have a little more drop this way, but still there is going to be no reverse polarity damage to your circuit. This is about a 5 volt drop. No, they go up to 11. Yeah, about a 4 volt drop. So there you have it. A simple polarity protection circuit that uses nothing but 4 diodes. So how does it work? Well, it's really pretty simple. Okay, so let's assume this connection is positive. So it flows through here, through this diode, which is forward biased, to this junction, and to the positive input of our load. Then it flows through the load, through the negative, and through this diode, which is positive biased, down to ground. Now if we switch it, and this becomes our positive, then the voltage flows through here, through this diode, again to the junction, up through here, through the load, here, and then through this positive bias, which is now to our negative. So no matter which way you hook it up, you're always going to have positive and negative in this direction. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. A big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to you guys for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace. Thank you for all your support, everyone. 2020, I'm hoping, is going to be a great year for us. Everyone who's supported through Patreon and through PayPal donations is fantastic. Everybody who's bought something from the Amazon store, that's what keeps this channel going. I couldn't do it without you guys. You are a part of the team. Hey, feel free to email me, arduino0169@gmail.com. I try and get back to just about everybody.